Becoming an expert in Kubernetes requires a structured approach and continuous learning. So, in this video, we will talk about step-by-step roadmap to become Kubernetes expert. Here is a roadmap to guide you on your journey to Kubernetes mastery. 1. Start with the basics. Familiarize yourself with containers and containerization concepts. Understand the fundamentals of Kubernetes, including its architecture, components, and key concepts like pods, deployments, services, and namespaces. 2. Learn installation and setup. Set up a Kubernetes cluster locally using tools like Minikube or Kind for hands-on experience. Explore different installation options for production environments, such as managed Kubernetes services, like Amazon EKS or Google Kubernetes Engine. 3. Dive into core Kubernetes concepts. Learn about creating and managing pods, deployments, and services. Understand labels, selectors, and annotations for effective resource management. Explore resource quotas, auto-scaling, and rolling updates for application management. 4. Master Kubernetes networking. Understand Kubernetes networking models and how services enable communication between pods. Explore different networking plugins, like Calico or Flannel. Learn about ingress controllers for external traffic management. 5. Manage stateful applications. Gain expertise in managing stateful workloads using stateful sets and persistent volumes. Explore storage options, such as local storage, NFS, or cloud storage providers. Learn about volume snapshots and dynamic provisioning. 6. Practice advanced topics. Gain knowledge in managing secrets, config maps, and environment variables. Understand Kubernetes VAC role-based access control for secure cluster access. Learn about Helm, a package manager for Kubernetes, to simplify application deployments. Explore advanced topics like custom resource definitions (CRDs), operators, and pod security policies. 7. Monitor and troubleshoot. Learn how to monitor Kubernetes clusters using tools like Prometheus and Grafana. Understand logging and tracing techniques for troubleshooting. Explore debugging techniques, resource utilization monitoring, and troubleshooting network-related issues. 8. Explore Kubernetes ecosystem. Familiarize yourself with complementary tools and technologies like Istio for service mesh, Prometheus for monitoring, and OpenEBS for storage. Stay updated with the latest developments in the Kubernetes community by attending conferences, reading blogs, and participating in forums. Remember, learning Kubernetes is an ongoing process. Stay curious, practice hands-on exercises, and seek opportunities to work on real-world projects to solidify your expertise. Happy learning on your path to becoming a Kubernetes expert.